welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make homemade Play-Doh that is not non-toxic, that is safe for children. If you have a parent, then ask them to come and help you. So this is going to be 2 cups of water, 2 cups of flour, and this is going to be 1 cup of salt. This is 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and this is 2 tablespoons of baby oil. Today we're going to use Johnson's baby oil. So we're going to use this Kool-Aid powder to dissolve that in the water. You can also use other powders of juices in water too. Now we're going to dissolve the Kool-Aid powder. And you can also mix food coloring. You have to dissolve it very good so the Play-Doh will turn out good. Now we're going to add all the dry ingredients first. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and then now we're going to mix all of it. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of baby oil. And now we have to mix. And ask your parents to pour the Kool-Aid powder mixed with water liquid so you won't spill it. And mix very well. You have to mix it very well so there will be no lumps. Like this. There will be no lumps. You have to microwave this Play-Doh to 4 to 5 minutes. So ask your parents to put this in the microwave. And now we have to wait. When you take it from the microwave, it will look like this. And don't touch it because it's really hot. And tell your parents to stir it well. It should be like mashed potatoes. It should be cold enough to touch, and you have to knead it very well so you'll get soft Play-Doh. Let's wait for it to cool down. It should be about 15 to 20 minutes. Now the Play-Doh is cool enough to knead. ask your parents' help. This Play-Doh is very smooth and it's non-toxic and it's really safe to play with. Parents, do this with your children. Or children, do this with your parents. This is really fun. This is really soft and nothing sticks. It's really smooth to make anything. Yoink. A carrot. Now we need to store it in the Ziploc so it won't dry out and get really hard. You need your Play-Doh to be soft. Ooh, that is really big. Ooh. I need to break something. I made 2 batches and one is blue and one is red. I did this because for my little brother's school Play-Doh club. And it was really fun making these Play-Dohs and make these at your home. If you learned something from my channel or this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.